not happen again.
I was gonna say.
Oh, that door.
Oh, that door. What?
Oh.
What?
Okay.
Food on this side.
We have time to look at this.
No, we have a lot of time.
Tôi có tiết kiệm
Hay nói vậy. Nữa. Đó, chỉ sợ we don't need to work on this. Wow.
From the takeoff structure, the wires carry the electricity up and over the canyon walls at 230,000 volts. The towers that support and direct the wires are leaning into the canyon. These are cantilever towers, designed to ensure that the wires do not touch the walls of the canyon and short out. Now look down the canyon wall, and you will see a rectangular This is the wall house. Go to one on each side of the canyon. Each building contains two 98 gates allow us to run water around the turbines if necessary. Above the valve houses, stretching across the canyon, are 6
The bridge wasn't built.
Parishala, draft tube question used to be the difficult one.
These road carriers. Anything if we can but summon the will. Thank you for coming and seeing one of the 10 most honored construction achievements of the 20th century. Swung from the top of the canyon walls by a single rope on a bosun's chair, trailing chipping away at the rock.
Did it just go? I don't know. I need to go closer.
You will see the tallest concrete dam in the Western Hemisphere. Hoover Dam stands 726 feet tall and stretches 1,284 feet across the top, but only 78 feet across the base. It looks somewhat like an upside down. Yep. This massive large gravity structure contains 3,250,000 cubic yards of concrete. That's enough concrete to build a 2-lane highway from San Francisco to
floods only water season, okay? Water goes up like that. So that's why I will not get it. That's the water. So the water level you can see
This corner on the side and the other barrier.
that is a overflow. So both things.
对呀，就这么个地方，所以那种不要面试。我估计在这顶，他们在玩那个灯。
告诉你这里把水变成电波的，
透镜，然后就发电。
你往这来以后，再动的几个这样子过的。最后喷水从那个把这大巴桶里排出来。
Oh, the plastic very cool. They put the plastic pie. Xà má mây còn. A lot of time.
Chụp gì nữa?
Surveyors, dynamite.
Outside.
The Secretary of Commerce, Hoover Dam, understood the problem and solved it.
Right. I'm fixing to shovel this.
Go all the way to the window. 1, 2, 3.
I don't know what any kind is. Don't do it. And stay with your tour guide the whole time. Please do not wander off into any tunnels by
Alrighty, folks, that's your tour. Follow that.
Đây là Hoover Dam, Hoover Dam Hút. We go from underground. Wow, on trên này gì hết. Wow. Oh, big pie right here. Careful.
We're on top of it.
Yeah. Water pie right there.
What's the other side?
There we go. What are the
Colorado River.
Alright, those of you who were in that other elevator, my name is Mike. I'm your tour guide for your first 2 stops. If I could have you guys look up here at this map of the Hoover Dam area, we're going to talk about the construction of the dam. The yellow line here represents where we just came from. We started here at the elevators, walked up this way, and we're right now inside this part of the diversion tunnel. This whole tunnel all the way down is what they used to move the Colorado River out of the way of the work area with. They did that by constructing 4 diversion tunnels, 2 on the Nevada side and 2 on the Arizona side. These tunnels are 50 feet in diameter and about 4,000 feet long, or 3/4 of a mile. They were put in by blasting through solid volcanic rock over a period of about 2 years. Once those were constructed, we built these temporary dams, also known as coffer dams. They sat at the bottom of the riverbed. They were just big mounds of rock and dirt about 100 feet tall. And their job was to direct all that water into the diversion tunnel and away from the construction area. That lower stream coffer dam just prevented that water from backfilling into the work site, and that's what gave them that dry river.
Wow, the leaking Jesus. Water leaking.
Stay to your right, folks. 63.
chắc là mình vô hết.
Anywhere you want to go, folks. Anywhere along the rails.
On the way there. On the way there.
On the way down there.
Mình cứ xuống cái bộ này quá. Quay chơi sao? Thấy là biết chờ ra rồi quay không để khách. Thân đấy. Rồi chụp cho mắm đi. Nè hai mẹ con đứng đó bay chụp chân rồi. 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3. Okay, good. How many to win there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Wow, 8 children. 8 right here, 8 on the other side. Nghe được rồi.
Each generator stands about 70 feet tall. You can only see the top 30 feet above the floor. The other 40 feet actually goes below the surface into the water. That's where the turbine is spinning. As you look across the top of each generator, you see there's a white light ladder in front of the front says N1, meaning it's the first generator on the battery. And of course, on the Arizona line, you can see the H for Arizona. If the light is on, each generator is currently in operation. They both all operate at the same time. They still so during the day, we'll typically see a lot of this operation keep it live when there's more people going off from work or school. Each generator has its own rotor, a hard metal piece of machinery about the same size and shape as the red drum you see on the outside there. Those red drums are called speakers. The rotor is like a giant truck tires are on that side with about 40 horsepower mounted to outer surface. It sits down inside the stereo and will drive 5 miles. The rotor fits behind the rotor. Imagine this entire building is on concrete. You would still need 10 more feet equal the thickness of the base of Hoover Dam. Alright folks, that's going to do it for the PowerPoint tour. Let me get out there in front. Those of you who are with the wristbands up, make sure we can see him. Ready for Steve, he's got long sleeves. Someone here with Amanda, she's going to take over the wall of the dam. If you got a blue wristband, stay back and we'll go back to the museum in just a moment.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Come on in, try to spot along the wall on either side for me, please. Come on in, try to spot along the wall on either side for me, please.
On this
Come
one.
on in, try to spot along the wall.
We're walking where?
Inside the Hoover Dam. Inside the dam.
Okay, you can form a line on either side over here. Kind of spell along the wall on either side. So you're not so. Not have to be so far away, guys. You can scooch back this direction. All right. So just to get you oriented, in this direction is Lake Mead. In this direction is the Colorado River. Right now we're in Nevada. In that direction is Arizona. Now this tunnel was made with tourism in mind, which is why we do have the lovely terrazzo flooring, the paneling, the light fixtures, and also the designs and laid on the floor. But in the center, there's that metal looking grate. That's actually a drain from when they first built this tunnel. They thought water might get in here, so they had drains periodically to drain that water out. When they first started bringing tours down all the way back in 1937, they realized water was not making it into this tunnel. But at that time, they did have a lot of women coming down on tours, and at that time, most women wore high heels. High heels are perfect size to get your heels stuck in there. After a couple of sprained ankles, broken high heels, they went through and filled in each of the little holes in the grate to keep that from happening. That and the lights are the only thing that haven't changed in this tunnel since they first built it. Everything else has been a little bit of wax on and wax off. Now again, this tunnel, very beautiful, meant for tourism.
Careful your phone. Cow like that, you never mix.
Watch your head, watch your feet, especially if you're passing people in the tunnel. And on up,
Go,
single
Tisha.
file
Go
outside,
first.
then take some photos, come on back.
I don't want to do. The top right here.
Good thing I can't see very far down there.
You want to stick your hand up there and wave to everybody?
Oh, you know, stick your phone out there.
Michael, turn around.
You turn where?
Okay, we return.
Amazing hand.
You can. I almost can.
I can't. I need a helmet. Or 2, 3.
Stand here. Sorry.
Yes. One, 2, 3. Okay.
Single file outside, take some photos.
Where are you guys going? Yes, we stay here?
We stay here? No, we go back.
We go back. That's people.
For people run around.
Yeah, for people take a look. Yeah.
We cannot stay there.
Under our section, right on the left-hand side, you'll see the 0 plus 20. Hand side to the right-hand side for us, please. People always ask how many people died during the construction of the dam. We had 96 official deaths. So people that died here on site. But that was only if they died here on the project or after going straight to the hospital. If they went home any time in between, they were not counted in that official number because of how they work as workers. If you worked here at the dam, they worked you 7 days a week, 8 hours a day. And for whatever reason, they did not come to work. They did not go knocking on your door to see my father perform that day.
Wow, super deep.
There's so many people looking for jobs that are able to do that. So if you did have a job here, you came into Boulder City, caught the bus and jumped to the work site. As you got on the bus, you give the leader, the foreman of that bus, your ticket with your name on it saying you were coming into work. At the end of your work day, you got back on the bus, you got your ticket back saying you had worked your 8 hours and you were sent home. After that shift had left, whatever tickets were left in the foreman's hand, he would then check the hospital, see if they were there. If they were, they kept track of them until they're released. At that time, they got their ticket back, they were sent home. If they did not show up,
Wow, khác này nhiều.
come on in right here in the front.
Your dream come true. Teacher, dream come true. You very lucky, teacher. Oh.
When the window, I didn't say, oh, the little one. The little window, look, four of them. Four.
Yeah. Xích lấy bồ mà ó lên kho thôi.
Hồi xưa mình không có biết nó có hai lỗ gì mà
Không có lỗ. Nó để không gió cho người ta sống kìa.
Thì nó có ba cái lỗ window đó. Dream come true.
And you say nobody dream come true, but only teacher. Only teacher.
He should bring you that.
Emil. Nobody dream come true, only teacher dream come true. Today you lucky. Mình đi cái mình đánh vòng quanh kia cái đi ngược lại.
Thôi không thấy nó dễ thôi, mình sợ nó không thấy vậy đó, mình thấy là power. Wait, if you want to look, you go over there, look there. Con phải có đồ look better. Cái đồ cái chỗ đó look amazing qua đây dưới luôn này. Cái chỗ nó không phải thổ. I'll go back there and go.
Number of those insulator segments.
Bình nước kìa. nhỏ ram gì nó bỏ nước nó bung lên chứ sao they put the water down and the water go up.
Oh, there's a water here.
Here
All right, Joella, that's enough.
the water you put down the water go up,
Oh,
they cannot go down.
hey, wait, but does your car have Band-Aid?
Yeah, I have it.
I have here. Oh, you have right now? I think. I don't know why suddenly it started bleeding.
Oh, the water go up, huh? Yeah, the water go up. Because water go like this. The wind.
Oh, wind? No, this is the physics. The pressure.
I say the wind go right here and they go up.
No, oh my God. This is the dam. They push it with the hydraulics.
Oh.
With the engine. No way the wind can get that.
Oh, it's so cool.
Oh, damn. I can just go in the car. Hold on, man.
Wait, then go a car. I have a lot on the in the car. I have the bank luôn. Đủ any kind of there.
There's restroom in there.
Đây.
Thôi tủ luôn luôn đồ mấy nó là trời ơi cái con mua là thấy nó rồi nha mấy cái con mua là thấy thấy nó đồ tủ không bị chứ đâu mình thèm phải dọn quên đâu gì
ये तो पानी को रोका हुआ
Đây 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 đây.
Ồ,佢出轉嘅咁勁嘅地方，轉個方向出嚟就識得轉跳得嚟，我行翻嚟即刻轉運交聯咧，佢係用個 GPS 嗰啲嚟嘅。
Đi go.
We have time just because mom.
Go go.
This work was designed to honor the accomplishments of the building genius of America. In the same way the pyramids represent ancient Egypt, or the Colosseum represents Rome. At first glance, one is usually drawn to the massive flagpole that proudly displays the American flag and the banner of the Department of the Interior.
Oh, when we step.
Nangyari naman po sa
Centro de không biết là cô biết rồi không biết là cô biết rồi đấy nó đi đâu không ạ xe rồi ai khác còn cái rồi con
Okay. Good.
Why the guy take away the water bottle and then ném bẻn rồi. I bought the bee over here. The bee stuffed toy from this there.
Oh, yeah. Wow, chưa trời, they take the picture this one. Paroma.
Over there, up.
This is behind. This is the dam.
A helicopter.
On the top. In the back. Mommy say in the back, that one.
Oh, that's how it looks. No, this is helicopter.
Yeah, helicopter. Oh, we walk right here already.
I didn't say we didn't walk there already, right?
Trying not to lose your food.
I don't think that's a picture. Where they do.
Yeah, when begin they build like that, we saw it. Oh my God, red room get light here.
The fly they all go.
Oh, the jeep.
He's running down the ramp. The restroom is your home. Việt Nam.
Ngày chào chưa là
Okay, you want to walk? But sit nicely.
Хозяевам компании, да, и обычно.
Le chien.
Je finis bien alors après.
Ok.
Ahora sí.
Dứt cắt nó đi nó được.
This one, you get this street too. This street you get too.
Oh, I already did.
Ah, 4, 5 window right there. Not.
How much it costs to construct the bridge?
How much?
Nevada.